Hey, Matt here. How to create a free plus shipping book offer in CF 2.0. Start out in your workspace settings. We're going to go to your locations. Make sure to set up a default location. We're going to set up your address. Make sure you have something in there and click use this location to calculate live rates to checkout. Of course, update that location. Go to your shipping tab. Come over here. Set up your shipping zones inside of here. Make sure that you have at least a domestic location and a rest of the world or an international setup as well. And then you can set up a rate for each one of them. Go to your products, make sure you go to all products and then add product or create a product. Make sure that it's set as a physical product, fulfillment required, and that this physical product has a weight, country, and manufacturer, all that good stuff. Now go to your funnels, go into the funnels where you want to set this up. We're going to attach this product to the funnels. We're going to go to our three dots. We're going to go to manage or add products. Then we're going to add that product. Make sure that you have the new Smart Checkout installed. And then down here in the summary, if you click on the down arrow, it'll show you exactly how much people are going to be paying in shipping. Hope you found this helpful. Let us know if you have any questions.